Tsurutsuru. The sound of something smooth, slippery, or polished. A surface so slick, it feels like water dancing. In winter, a frozen road becomes Tsurutsuru. Just one wrong step and you slip. It's a sound. And a feeling. Freshly boiled udon noodles. Soft, shiny, smooth. You slurp them up. Tsurutsuru. A baby's cheeks. A polished stone. A newly shaved head. All Tsurutsuru. The floor was so Tsurutsuru, I almost fell. I love how Tsurutsuru my skin feels after a bath. Tsurutsuru. Not just smooth, but touchable, laughable, lovable.